Sounds like you're using our cyber insurance analyzer tool. Any other aha moments or interesting moments in using any of the Cork platform that's been helpful?
Yeah, I think you guys were super helpful actually in helping us identify something that was exposing us, not our clients, thankfully, but ourselves in our offboarding procedures where we weren't um, releasing licenses for antivirus, as an example. So, if you eliminated an employee, we wouldn't stop spending the costs of antivirus, as an example. You would. So the good news is for our customers, it had no impact, but for us, it had a massive impact. So I think that oversight, your sort of dashboard of, why are things not in alignment in terms of mitigating risk has been super helpful. It's I don't know that it's unique, but it's certainly unique in our tool set of going, look at all these different pieces of the cybersecurity equation and make sure they're all pointed in the right direction and in alignment, and identifying places where we need to do investigations to go, why does this particular antivirus license exist, but nothing else? And so that's been a super good eye-opening thing for us.